What's your name?
Hi, my name is Sarah.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Are you married?
Of course, I am not.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
What are your hobbies?
I like to paint.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I would love to travel the world.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I want to go to the library tomorrow.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring.
Have you ever been to Switzerland?
No, but I would love to go.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite is all biography books.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit Dubai.
Did you enjoy playing games with friends?
Yes, it was fun.
Would you go to Taylor Swift's concert?
Sure, I would love to.
Are you busy?
No, just walking in the park.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is sunset.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at the student cafeteria.
What do you like to do after school?
I like to relax with my friends.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Where do you like to spend your weekends?
I like to spend my weekends at the park.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time watching movies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Halloween.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town. How do you celebrate your birthday? I celebrate my birthday with my family.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay indoors and read a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is a mango.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bicycle.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal for breakfast.
How far is your school from your home?
My school is 5 kilometers away.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my school uniform.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
How do you greet people in the morning?
I say good morning.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat fruits and exercise.
What is your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by watching TV.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you do on weekends?
I hang out with friends.
How do you go shopping?
I usually take the bus, but sometimes I use a car.
What is your favorite type of book?
I like mystery books.
How do you communicate with friends?
I use my phone to text.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant is an Italian one.
How do you celebrate New Year Eve?
I celebrate with fireworks and friends.
What do you do when you're bored?
I play games or read.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite show is the comedy Friends.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.